friends, good morning. Welcome to Myttre's kitchen. So today we are going to do a snack recipe with vegetables. This will be an ultimate snack recipe for veggie lovers. The snack is vegetable nuggets. To do our vegetable nuggets, I have taken chopped carrots, chopped French beans, followed with boiled and smashed potatoes, chopped onions, cornflakes which is finely fried in our rock salt, which we have already showcased in our video. Please watch the video how to fry the cornflakes with rock salt without adding any oil. Fresh peas, a handful of fresh peas, followed with 50 grams of grated paneer, a very small quantity of bell pepper, that is green capsicum, little coriander leaves, slit green chilies, followed with our Indian spices like our red chili powder, cumin powder, garam masala, coriander powder, amchur powder, which is our mango powder, followed with a cup which has got our corn flour, followed with maida flour to make a thick batter. So these are the ingredients that is required to do our vegetable nuggets for the veggie lovers. So let us watch the step-by-step process. How do we go about it? So friends, to do our vegetable nuggets, the first step is I have taken a pan. I have already added 2 tablespoons of oil. So in that we are going to fry our chopped onions. Followed with our onions, I am going to add a very small quantity of green pepper, which is our green capsicum, slit green chilies, chopped carrots, along with carrots, the chopped French beans. So mix everything. Followed with our vegetables, I am adding our fresh green peas. So now we are going to add one by one all the spice powder. I am adding half a tablespoon of garam masala, tablespoon of coriander powder, tablespoon of cumin powder, tablespoon of amchur powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and the required amount of salt. You can find all our vegetables are getting cooked. So at this stage I am going to add our smashed potatoes. Vegetables are cooked well. I am going to turn off the stove and then going to add our 50 grams of paneer, which is grated, followed with little coriander leaves. With our coriander leaves, taken a plate or you can take a mold. I have greased the plate with oil so that the nuggets come out easily. So gently keep every vegetable which is cooked into the greased plate. You can find our vegetable mix is nicely greased and kept in the plate. You need to refrigerate this for 30 minutes and then we'll see what is the next step. So we had refrigerated for 30 minutes. Now we need to cut the nuggets into a desired shape. See friends, so one by one we need to remove the cut nuggets of a desired shape and keep it aside. Friends, you can find our vegetable nuggets. We have cut into cylindrical shape. This alone we have made it into a rectangle shape. So you can cut it as per your desired shape. I have made all into cylindrical. Now the next step is, now we are using our cornflakes which is fried. You need to crush it well. You need to crush it and we need to, instead of breadcrumbs, you can use our cornflakes. So friends, to do our veg nuggets, I have taken 1 tablespoon of maida flour, which is all-purpose flour, followed with 2 tablespoons of corn flour, the required amount of pepper, the required amount of salt, and mix the batter gently with water. It should not be too thick, it should not be too runny. So mix it in the right consistency. I am taking 1 nuggets. So just dip it in our all-purpose flour and corn flour, which is mixed with salt and pepper gently, along with our cornflakes, which is nicely fried with rock salt. That's all. Keep it aside. So this is how we need to coat each and every nugget and we need to deep fry. The kadai is heated with oil, so we need to fry our coated cornflakes nuggets one by one. So I'm adding one by one and you need to nicely fry it. You can find our nuggets is nicely fried into a golden color. You can find here. So the veg nuggets, it's ready to be served hot. So friends, you can find our veg nuggets which come out very well. It's so crispy with our cornflakes topping. You can see the cornflakes in our veg nuggets. So please try this yummy recipe. It's full of nutrients because all the vegetables are added into it. So please watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another any recipe shortly. Happy cooking. Stay safe. Bye-bye.